Welcome back everyone to another video where we talk about using the pocket option broker to do binary option trading. Now, if this is your first time visiting the channel, as I always say, take the time to look at the previous videos so you know what we've been talking about up until now. In today's topic, we're going to talk about bad trading habits that you need to get rid of. And we're still continuing with that powerful 1-minute strategy that is helping so many in their trading sessions. And also to take note of the coaching that I'm offering up until Monday. If you're struggling, check it out. The link is in the description. Always take that opportunity to sign up with Pocket Option if you haven't done so already, so you obviously can start making money like the rest of us. And back to the beginner ebook. Many of you were asking to find the link. It is in the description if you are looking for it. Here again, it is the best ebook that you can read before you hop on the platform and start doing any kind of trades. That way you know what you're up against and you can be prepared. Now, let's get into it. Chasing trades. This is one of the hardest things to not do. Chasing trades typically happens when you see a setup, you make your entry, and you lose the trade. Emotionally, it stings, and you want to immediately go in on the next candle. Don't do it. You have to get used to cutting your losses and moving on. Trading too fast. I've talked about this before. If you have a list of pairs up or a list of stocks and you're going through each and every single one and you think you see a setup, boom, there's a trade. Then you go to another one, boom, there's a trade. You're trading way too fast. Or if you make a trade and you win it, okay, and then you go to another trade. When you trade too fast, you often are not giving yourself enough time to analyze the confirmations. So in other words, if you want to trade and then you move on to the next pair or the next stock and you see the same setup and then you take the trade and then you lose the trade, you're going too fast. So try to slow down. When you take a trade, maybe purposely wait 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes I'll do an hour and come back. But trading too fast will help you quickly blow out your account. Now, I'm going to show you a list of trades that I have done, still going on that 1-minute strategy, because at this point, by far, this is what I think is the best strategy to learn if you're still struggling. I've read the messages. I know what a lot of people are going through. Let's continue to look at my entries so you can pick them up and start winning your trades too. Here we go.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. pass me dynamite. Gonna let the world know.
I know all the words, I've heard them in many voices. I feel them within your eyes, I'm judging but disappointed. I'm not the one I used to be, got someone else infusing me. Say, is this when I give or I gave up? But something's getting in the way. This person that you so admire, now stuck in such a bad attire.
On the road. Yeah.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
some more.
Do it for my own homies, they be back home, still homegrown.
Yeah.
Trying hard to get back at it, but no one knows where I'm going.
Yeah.
Running around like a jaguar, and now I'm headed back to the tropics. Going hard for my fam, yeah, now I'm headed back with a profit, yeah.
Yeah.
Always one step ahead, but I can't seem to feel a moment. I'll be peeking through doors, every one of them carefully closing. You don't need to tell, I'm out of time. Felt it trickle into the heart of mine. Say, is this when I give or I gave up? It's like I know what to say, but something's getting in the way. This person that you so admire, now stuck in such a bad attire.
And that's it. If you're still struggling, consider scheduling a coaching call. Check out the ebook so you can identify and nail those candlesticks that win, find money to trade, and learn how to grow a small account with one trade a day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.